also share the passing on of the baton for the next FDP IKS. Thank you.
I think the first thing I need to change is the culture of introductions in academia. If I had just one power, I'll do that, and we'll do it with a lot more brevity and impact. Swami Vivekananda would not approve of talking about Adi and Ananta on empty stomach, so I will not take much time. Just two quick words. Kapil Kapoorji at the inauguration of FDP about 3 weeks ago, he gave us a beautiful metaphor. He said, Bharatiya Jnana Parampara, Sanatana Ganga Pravah. All we need to imagine when we are talking about Adi and Ananta is the flow of Ma Ganga. And I learnt about Adi and Ananta from a song that stayed with me for many years now. And it talks about how the entire creation comes out of the reflection in the lotus of the pond, that is the Brahma's eye, and how the eastern sky is the metaphor for Veena, and the sun rays are the strings, and the birds, when they spread their wings out, they are carrying the primordial sound of Om to the entire world. That is the metaphor that stays with me when we think about continuity, Adi, Ananta. We are not really creating any new knowledge. We are lucky enough, privileged enough to become for some part mediums of this wisdom. So with that spirit, I just want to share with you, along with Dr. Richa Chopra ji, about how we've designed for this movement to continue. There's a lot more, like Shobhiji said, there are a lot of questions that we need to answer, but none of those questions are going to be answered alone. We believe at Rashtraam and Rishihood that the number one strategic leadership skill that we need to currently cultivate in all of us is the ability and the technology and the technique of collaboration. So this is in the spirit of collaboration that we want to share with you how FDP would be taken forward. I invite Dr. Richa Chopra ji to present that.
Thank you. We are deeply honored that the Center of Excellence for Indian Knowledge Systems at IIT Kharagpur, under the leadership of Professor Joy Sen, Chairperson, will hold the baton of FDP IKS STPC 2021 from the Rashtraam School of Public Leadership, Rishihood University, and continue to build the foundations laid by FDP IKS 2021.0, organized by the Department of Contemplative and Behavioral Sciences at Sri University last November, and stage it as an ongoing annual event in November 2022 to augment the institutionalization of IKS-based education. Professor Sen says that COE, Center of Excellence for India's Knowledge System, IIT Kharagpur, will have a special focus on India's knowledge systems and its recovery with the help of modern scientific tools and methods, and polishing India's knowledge systems in spectrum of changes and emerging paradigms of the contemporary world. FDP 2023 4.0 is being explored to be taken up by Samvad at NIMHANS, and Professor Shekhar Seshadri has already opened up the possibility. So big round of applause. So we have medical college and mainstream technical college universities coming to hold the baton of what started as a very humble intent last year from this small department of contemplative and behavioral sciences. CPDHE, UGC, HRDC, University of Delhi has also come forward to hold the baton of FDP IKS, and I think that would be FDP IKS 5.0 in 2024. So we already have 3 FDP IKSs that are already lined up. From FDP IKS 2021.0 that started at Sri University to FDP IKS STPC 2021 2.0 at Rishihood, we now have a systematically trained IKS ambassadors of 325 faculty members and stakeholders from HEIs in the last 1 year. With this, I end this note with a very beautiful message that we have received from Shri Bandaru Dattatreya ji, Honorable Governor for Haryana. May I read his message? He could not come here. He says, well-trained and informed faculty members are the real asset of an academic institution. I'm glad to know that Rishihood University and Rashtraam School of Public Leadership has jointly organized an 18-day long faculty development program on India's knowledge system from 16th November to 7th December. Congratulations for successfully holding this FDP program, as has been amply reflected in today's validatory function. Experts shared their thoughts, ideas, and vision on how to further enrich our learning processes during FDP. Education is the bedrock of any civilization. It is through education that we build a resilient nation. inclusive society and set in motion the process of growing and prospering together. Our new National Education Policy 2020 envisages a wholesome education for all. Our universities in Haryana, both in public and private sectors, are making concerted efforts to implement NEP 2020 by 2025. One of the pillars of NEP 2020 is to align our education to our traditional knowledge system with a special focus on innovation, entrepreneurship, research and development, and vocational training to realize the goal of Atmanirbhar Bharata. I have been told that this program has helped many faculties from many universities get familiar with contents, methodologies, and resources of India's knowledge systems. Do ensure that knowledge gained at this FTP is translated into innovative delivery, covering all of our academic disciplines and shaping the minds and hearts of our youth. In order to help coming generations access our knowledge, we need to build a sense of informed pride about our civilization, and that inspiration is the fuel which will propel India to the next level of glory in the 21st century. Best wishes for this further future endeavors. With this, I thank everyone for making this FTP a grand success. All of us who were behind the scenes, the Marcom team, the team of Rashtram Accelerator, the leadership, everyone who has really made it, they've really given their best to have this in just a matter of about 8 to 10 weeks. From the time we seeded the idea to this point, it's been just about 10 plus weeks that we all made it happen. Thank you once again for everybody.